algorithm knows, given a word or several words, it knows how to complete the sentence in the most rational way. And it works very, very, very well. And in traditional chatbots, we just had questions and answers. So the chatbot knows if you ask a specific question, then it gives you a specific answer. Here it generates new answers according to the questions that you ask. The idea here is not to replace anyone and not to convince anyone that what they're saying is true. The idea is that it will look real, so it will be nice to watch, and that you'll be able to watch it for a long time and learn information, interact with machines.
Voice is very important because interaction naturally by speaking is 60 times more easily and fast than typing. So that is the first reason. The second reason is that in order for a company to be more user-friendly, the company have to be on the channel where the customers are. Actually, our bots are smarter than 3 years ago, of course. The technologies are very mature to interact naturally by voice. I don't mention the chat because the chat is very easily. The person is writing the question, so yeah, bring that information very easily. But by voice, there is some issues with what type of question we take.
There is an evolution happening where the web-based or mobile app-based communication is shifting to a chat app-first communication. We call it the evolution of super apps, meaning that WhatsApp, Apple, Google, Viber and similar will become the main communication channel for brands. And the shift is, so from web, where you have a web page, you are shifting to a chat interface where the chatbot is actually the main interface hidden within the chat.
To be transparent, and in many cases, we still, or that's the inherent problem of AI, that in many cases, the deep learning models are not, in detail 100% understood by the people who are developing these models. So, there's inherently a lack of transparency. So we need to make this explainable AI.
Welcome to London Heathrow, Mrs. Martin. Your Boeing 77 flight to Shanghai will depart at 5:25 p.m. from Gate 17, arriving at 8:05 a.m. local time. I am Jin, your personal AI assistant for the journey. You can access me at any time on your mobile phone or the seatback screen during your flight.